There he is.
What's that, a goggle eye?
If it's a goggle eye, but yeah, it's a big one.
That's what I'm saying. This river's got big goggle eye.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. He
That's a big one.
put him in the bucket.
That's a big booger. That almost looked like a what you call it? Almost as wide as a bluegill or a red ear.
Oh, they come bigger than that. I've got to switch this thing over.
Oh, I done got another one. That was crazy. He ate it when it hit the water. Oh, no, it's a goggle. I thought a little bass for a second. Oh, that must have.
What I got? A fish on this thing?
Do you? Or you hung up? Oh, goodness. Whoa, now. That's a good largie. A good largie. That was crazy. I just stopped it out there. Oh, yeah. Now that, 2.5 pounds?
Probably a pound, 2 pounds.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
That's probably what hit mine in there a while ago.
I wouldn't doubt it.
He
was all the way out here in the middle. He probably followed it though.
That was a goggle eye, I guess. Look, here's what he did.
Pulled you the stick. Wow.
Around the stick.
This is fun right here. Beautiful largemouth. Finally got him.
Little bitty guy. They on today, ain't they, fish are?
Yep. There he is. They normally can get that back hook in their mouth.
He got a front hook.
Yeah. If they get that front hook, see, look how that back hook does? It goes in them.
Grab them on it.
Yep. Oh, ah. Really, that's kind of about what we caught. Like that. Oh, oh! Is that a bass? No, it's a little bass, I think. Yep. Well, that El Chapo working good. Quit it now. Don't want to hook him. Ooh.
I broke my line.
Did you really? I wouldn't doubt it. Had to have been.
Got me in a rock.
Nice little largemouth.
Got me in a rock.
I've never really actually seen them rear up and eat something, you know.
One time they just on a limb on that and jerked his bait off. That's bad.
Yeah. Goodness, this is crazy. I know. I don't guess maybe nobody's fished it. Whew. Oh, youch, little booger. You are trying to get a hook in me. Another good largemouth. How many is that? Like 5 we caught already? 6? That's a big one too. He's probably going in the bucket, ain't he?
He's going to get fried tonight with some fresh squash and potatoes.
Gets deeper. Big goggle eye, I think.
Told you it'd be over there.
Oh. Well. He only had the back hook. It's crazy what them old gar can get in. Oh, there he is. Oh. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Like it.
There he is. That's a good man.
I believe it's a goggle eye. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
They're getting bigger.
Yeah, you see some big ones.
Is he going in the bucket?
Yes, sir.
Well, they got some pretty white fins. Now, there'll be some fish on that log right there. Guarantee it. You got one?
Yeah.
Now, that looks like a better fish. And that big goggle again, ain't it? He's orange. Oh no. Okay. Lamb brim. I really figured there'd have been a fish off that tree.
They are.
Gah!
Larger?
I'd say so.
Large, man. That's a catfish. That's a big old Kentucky.
It looked like it.
That's a Kentucky.
Gosh, if that's a
That's probably
big.
the Kentucky you ever caught on it.
I wouldn't doubt it.
That thing before we get off there.
I know it's just one hook. I don't want to pull him up. He's got something wrong with.
Right there weigh 2 pounds.
Wow.
Yeah, he needs to eat. There's something wrong.
Elizabeth. Dude, look at that Kentucky. Holy crap, he is thick and huge. Oh, you got it on? Did you get him?
I got him.
That's another big goggle eye, ain't it?
Yeah, he ain't big enough to eat, though.
Still,
Yeah, stay there.
I was about to say, he about the size of the ones we got in there.
I thought over at Lingham he did it.
I've had him do that a lot of times. You hardly ever catch him though.
No, he slid off at Lingham though.
I believe he's too small.
I know he is.
He's still a big one though. I don't know, he's a pretty good sized one. Just sit there. Go.
He got it.
You see that gar? He looked like a... You see him swimming through there? He looked like he was that bigger and... They all look different, don't they?
Mm-hmm.
Some be dark like this one. He real white. Mm-hmm. That's why I threw up in there. I was like, there's got to be a fish in that tree root.
Bass.
Oh, yeah. Good bass. Well, I mean, that's a good one right there. Oh, yeah.
I seen him come out and bite it.
Did you?
I was reeling it in.
I was looking. I was like, boy, as soon as you set the hook, I seen him.
I'm gonna eat good tonight. I ain't got no fish in the freezer.
It's a gar. Well, I say it's a gar right there about where I'm at. I guess could have been a bass. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that, Benji.
He's plumb out.
Holy crap, dude.
He's plumb out of water.
Gosh, that's a big daddy. Oh goodness. What do we got? I didn't even look. He was already on there.
He come home out of water.
I mean, that was crazy.
Rock.
That was crazy right there. And he wasn't a little guy either.
He probably
We'll go.
15 pounder, baby. We'll probably eat little peepers over there.
How far does it go down?
Good one.
There's one.
Told you.
It's a goggle eye. I thought it was a bass the way he blew up on it. Just a big goggle eye. Them goggle eyes really like this El Chapo.
Yeah,
You got one?
yeah, we.
Big old goggle eye. He go in a bucket?
I ain't big enough.
Okay, I think he was. There's a lot of little dudes, I think, like them ones I was catching on my swim bait a while ago. Gosh, I got her close.
Big, that's
Oh, look at that fish that come out of there. Behind that tree. You got one?
big as that.
Whose is bigger? This one really ain't that big. Yours is bigger.
Mm-hmm. That ain't a goggle eye. That's a
Looks-
white bass.
Why, man? Yours is bigger than mine, a lot bigger.
Look, I'm a lot better
Ouch.
fish is what it is.
A good fish came up from behind that tree when that fish blew up
Trying
on.
to eat it.
Tried to come to this bait, I think, and then that goggle eye ate it.